welcome to Code Fun with me, Rozzie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waia te tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! Digi! Can you hear that sound? Hey, I know what's going on here. Our robot friend wants to play a game of hide and seek. Call out if you see Digi, okay? Digi! What was that? You see Digi? Where? Kaore I te kitea. I can't see them. Hey! Is Digi hiding behind that seat? I knew it! Okay. Shh. Aha! Oh, there's no one there. Are you sure you saw Digi? Oh, hi, Digi.
Kia ora.
You really had me that time. So I'm here, you're here, and now Digi's here too. So what are we waiting for? Let's get the show started. Is that your box? No? Must be Digi's. Oh, hey, Digi.
Kia ora. Oh, cool. My box arrived.
Oh, what's in it?
Just robot stuff.
Okay. Well, it can't stay there. We'll trip over it. Health and safety.
No worries. I'll move it.
Oh, Digi. You don't know how to lift a box, do you?
Cow.
Well, that's okay. We'll show you. So, come a little closer to the box. Whoa! No, step back. Bend over. Whoa, no, stand up. I know I said bend over, but whoa, no, stop.
I'm okay.
Ake pia me whai awhi no. I think I need your help. Digi is a robot, and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things. Will you help me show Digi how to lift a box? Thank you so much.
Ow!
Okay, let's do this. Okay, Digi, take a step back to where you were. That's it. Now just chill and be still. If you want to see a robot lift, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Memo mahara. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to lift a box until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Jump up and find a clear space with lots of room. Make sure you're not going to bump into anything. Okay, first of all, stand with your feet apart, the same width as your shoulders. Now step 1 foot forward and bend the other knee. Get a good grip under the box. And keeping your back straight, let your legs do all the work and stand up tall. Ka mutu pea. Good job. You lifted a box. Now let's show Digi. Okay, Digi. Now come forward towards the box. And stop. Okay, so far, so good. You join in too. Okay, Digi. Now, stand with your feet apart, the same width as your shoulders. Now, Digi, put 1 foot forward and bend the other knee. Okay, now get a good grip under the box. Cool. Okay, Digi, now keeping your back straight, let your legs do all the work and stand up tall. Great work, Digi.
Whoa!
Kua tūtuki. We did it. We gave clear instructions so Digi could lift the box. You're the best. Thanks for your help.
I'm okay.
Wow! Tirohia tēnā ika. Check out that fish. Hey, look, I can do a fish face. Can you do a fish face? Give it a go. Great fish face. I wonder what it's like being a fish, swimming around all day. Hey, do you want to swim around like a fish with me? Cool! I know a really fun game we can play. Come on, Etu! Now find a clear space with lots of room. Okay, here are the instructions. If you hear the music play, then you need to tahoe, swim like a fish. But if you hear the music stop, then you need to whakatoka, freeze. Okay, I think we're ready to play. Listen carefully. Here we go. Oh, freeze! Don't move. Whoa! Don't move a muscle. Huh? Digi?
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Whoa!
Sorry.
That's okay, Digi. Oh. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool! Me waia te tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai anu, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. Come back next time.
Ka kite.